Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to get started on a new project here. I do apologize. I have been really busy in the last month or two with just a ton of different things going on. I appreciate you guys coming back and hanging out. We're going to start a project that I was given from Keepsake Quilting. So, this is a project that they have provided for me, and it is part of their quick kits. Okay, so with these kits, they're just supposed to be something that you can make quick and easy. So you can type in on their website quick kit and it will show you, a list of different ones. This one is a toddler nap mat, which I am really excited to do. Now it is for confident beginners. I am definitely a beginner, not so sure about the confident. I feel pretty good when it comes to hand sewing, but when it comes to doing the machine, I just I'm not as confident. So just know that we're going to kind of go and learn along the way together here. This is going to be more for, the people that are starting out, somebody who maybe doesn't have much sewing experience. I don't know how many different videos I'm going to post yet as far as this is concerned, but we're just going to kind of take it one step at a time and, maybe get one or two steps done in a video, depending on how kind of intensive that they are. But I really want to work through this entire mat with you guys. So, it's not just going to be a start and then reveal. It's going to be the whole process along the way. So stay tuned for that. Now, as far as the fabric is concerned, look how adorable this is. So the nice thing with these quick kits are you get like the fabric pretty much as you need it. So you're going to have exactly what you need. So here we have these little 5-inch squares, and I'm going to show you. You'll be able to see a better view later as far as it is, but this is just going to be adorable for my little boy. Like look at this. This is already like fussy cut for me here. Look at this last one and how just stinking cute these are. So I think that he's just gonna absolutely love this, and my kids are gonna fight over it, so I'm probably going to need to make like 3 of these. And then it says the 2.5-inch squares was a 20 piece, so I believe that we're going to be making those on our own here, which will be nice because then we can fussy cut it a little bit and make sure we kind of like what we're seeing as far as the design is concerned. And then these are bonus fat quarters. So Keepsake does this thing where instead of just giving your normal size fat quarters, they give you a bit larger of a size. So these ones are 21 by 21. And we are going to cut those down, I believe, to 10.5-inch pieces. I'm really excited about the fabric because I typically have a lot easier of a time finding the girly type fabrics for my girls, but as far as finding things that like I think my son would be excited about, it's just a lot harder. Now, if you're interested in doing one of their quick kits, obviously if you don't have little ones, this one's not going to be of interest to you, but there are other quick kits that are available. There's like some tote bags, and I think there's even some quilts. So, head on over to their website and check it out. You can go through my link and my affiliate link, and that would be amazing. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Leave a comment down below. Where's your skill level? What are you as far as using a sewing machine? Are you advanced? Can you pretty much do everything, or are you gonna struggle through this just like I am? And definitely like and make sure you're subscribed. That way you can follow along with this process.